Okay. Oh yeah, I see him. Okay. Let's go. It's sketty. Gang gang. Wait, what does this say? Do I have my helmet on backward? Do I have my helmet on backwards?
Huh?
Do I have my helmet on backwards?
I don't know.
Wait, let me see.
He turned around.
No, it's not backwards. It feels like it's backwards for some reason.
Yeah. You have to get used to it. I haven't drove my scooter in a long time.
I remember, oh, this is gonna sound terrible. I remember before, there goes the wind.
Yeah.
I remember before, I recorded my GoPro, I would record with my phone and I just have it in my hand. I'd be like, just have it down here the whole time. Or like ride with one hand, have my phone. So today guys, I'm just gonna be riding around. Let's get out of here, AJ. Let's skedaddle. Skedaddle, AJ. Skedaddle. Let's skedaddle. There's too many witnesses. We gotta skedaddle. Wow. Do those people literally have like a shed on a tractor truck?
They literally built their own freaking stand.
Broom, broom. Hey, what kind of scooter is that?
Oh, lucky.
Broom, broom. Got that creep. You got those other gangs over here. So, ooh, gang.
Oh, you're tired.
Down the curb. Yeah. To my dad? Oh, okay. I don't know. Okay. I'm pretty sure my dad's inside. Oh, gang, Marky. AJ, it kind of feels weird with everyone looking at me because I have this camera on my head. You should take it.
Huh?
Why don't you take the camera?
Me?
Yeah, you could take it.
Why?
Because then no one's staring at me and they're all staring at you.
No.
Oh yeah, so go follow AJ's channel, Parkour AJ.
I don't have any YouTube
Yeah, I'm trying to help you make some videos. Oh my god, this is probably gonna sound terrible. Ooh, nice car. Okay, yeah, so go follow AJ, or subscribe to AJ, Parkour AJ. I'll leave a link in the description. And then you guys can subscribe to him. He's gonna be posting some parkour videos, some tutorials. Oh yeah, car.
I got a magazine.
He's gonna be showing you tutorials on how to do backflips without a trampoline. Yeah, AJ, I know that you can do that.
No, I can't. I could do a front flip though.
Oh yeah, I meant the front flip, not the
Okay,
back flip.
guys, but I'm gonna show them at my house.
Okay, let's go show AJ. Show parkour AJ. In action. Yeah, AJ. Gotta get that run up, right?
Yeah. Actually, let's keep my helmet on.
Just in case you fall on your head. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, he's going. Oh, he almost landed that. AJ almost had that landed.
Yeah.
Do it again. Do it again.
Oh,
You're close.
can't do it.
You get the flip, but you can't land it.
Yeah. Okay.
You gotta jump higher when you flip.
Huh?
You gotta jump higher.
I know, but I can't. Why do you have a GoPro on your head?
Because I have it. That's why. Because I can.
I can rock.
Because I'm trying to advertise AJ's YouTube channel. This is not sponsored. Yeah.
Hey, they're gonna run up to Ryan real quick. I'll be right back. And Daddy's still leaving.
Okay. Gotta be like, gang on those haters, yeah. Yeah, gang on those haters. I can rock.
Okay.
Yeah, the one-hander. Yeah, I can go one-hander. Watch
So
this.
you do no hands?
Yeah, boom, scatty.
I can only do no.
Don't go down to the cul-de-sac. It's a dangerous area.
Huh?
Don't go down to a cul-de-sac. There's dangerous people down there. Just kidding. I don't want them to see me though. There's Colby. He doesn't have a YouTube channel though, so I can't give him a shout out.
Ooh.
Yeah, AJ, don't use the back. Don't use the back brake. That's why I had to buy a new tire for mine, because it got a flat spot.
Oh,
See if I can pop a wheelie.
I can. That's not your regular speed. I know.
Oh, dang, I can't hit it. I can get in the air, but I'm not. She's not one of my days. Jack, oh. So what are we doing now, AJ? You tell them.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know, Sean.
You don't know, Sean? Okay. AJ, I'll post this video to your channel too.
Yay.
Oh, a car again. Just shucks. Bap. Car boy. See what I. Bucko, get off the road. Ha ha ha.
A lot of YouTubers watch YouTube. So I gotta watch my YouTube when I get home.
Yeah, you watched your own? Okay, all my subscribers, just gotta tell you this really quick. Go subscribe to Parkour AJ. Leave a link in the description.
About to beat you.
No, you're not. Oh, cock! Pull off the road. Pull off the road, boys. Oh, wipe out. Gnarly.
Wipe out. That's just wipe out.
When you're in the moment and you're racing.
Hey, Chase is posting that.
When you're in the moment and you're racing, but then you crash. Help me, please.
Chase is posting that.
Hashtag Marky fails.
Oh,
You know what I could have worn instead of my helmet mount? So no one would really know. Could have worn my chest mount. Oh, my mom's. There's my mom.
let's do it. They're talking. They're talking. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Watch it,
Oh, look, I'm
you
gonna show you how to ride up a curb. See, totally not clickbait.
I could totally do that, bro.
Hi.
In 5 minutes,
what do you have to say to your subscribers that are going to watch your video?
Subscribe and like to my channel. Put a big fat juicy thumbs up.
Yeah, you heard him. Big fat juicy thumbs up.
Oh, are you filming?
Yeah.
Did you just film Marky?
Yeah, I saw him fall. I have it on video.
He's recording.
Yeah, I have Marky fail on video. There goes Marky. We're going his way to victory. There goes Marky. I don't know. Here goes Marky. There goes Marky out of nowhere. Racing to victory. Guys, just in a safe area. We gotta get out of here. We gotta skedaddle. But let me see if we have to skedaddle yet. Okay, we don't gotta skedaddle. We don't have gotta skedaddle. There's Marky. Marky's just following him.
Oh God. Is he gonna wipe out?
Oh yeah.
Is he gonna wipe out?
Marky's were fighting.
Hey, Mom. Hi. How you doing?
This video is also going on AJ's channel. If you're watching from AJ's channel, what's up? Welcome to the 8 to parkour.
Oh God. I'm going way too fast. Hey, AJ.
Colby, let me race you.
Is he gonna wipe out?
Okay? Wait. I win.
Yes, I a little bit.
You would have had me too. See, I'm too good for Colby.
Are we going in the pool yet? When are we gonna go in the pool, Mom? Never.
This camera's waterproof.
It is?
Yeah.
I want a GoPro with you.
And you can record. You can borrow mine. Oh,
Are you account being funny, Mom?
I would let you borrow my GoPro. Okay. So that is it for the vlog today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like give a big fat juicy thumbs up. Just hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications, or you're dumb. Then you suck. Bye.